In front of me is REALME X50 5G, and let me show you how to reset downloaded app with your data on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all apps, then find and select the settings, go to additional settings then, and mark backup and reset. And here just go to erase all data, and select erase downloaded apps and their data. And now confirm that you would like to perform this operation by tapping on Erase Data tab. Click on it one more time to confirm. Just remember that this operation cannot be undone, so you have to be sure that you want to do it. And now just wait a couple of seconds until it is fully done. And that's it. Now you can set up your phone. So let's choose language, region, then agree with all the terms of service. Connect to your Wi-Fi if you want to. I will do it right now. Let me just enter the password. Go further by tapping on Next. Tap on More, accept all the terms and conditions. And you can choose your provider. I will go with Google. And let me set everything later. And that's it. So you've just reset app and their data. As you can see, everything has been refreshed with your home screen and the brightness as well. So I will start with changing it, and that's it. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.